Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on oil daily, weekly, hourly, 5-minute, 2-minute, 4-minute, 27-minute time frames. So we've got oil forming a very bullish day, bouncing off the 50-day moving average of 44.99. The bulls are looking for a bullish MACD cross, and we are looking at a tightening pattern where we have our low, high of the bounce, higher low, lower high, higher low, and now we're either going to break 47.75 to see a bullish break of this tight pattern, or break down and break the low of today, 44.72. So I do anticipate to set a lower high tomorrow and then pull back a little bit, and the range between 45.50 and 47 essentially, we're going to find ourselves in that range for the next day or two, and then a clear break will be present on this daily time frame. So the bulls have the momentum heading into tomorrow, fairly strong close. We do have the 100-day moving average resistance at 46.28, closed a penny above that, but the middle Bollinger Band 46.54, we could not get over that level. The weekly time frame, middle Bollinger Band resistance there as well, 46.50. The 100-week descending at 48.29. The bulls are going to have to get over that level if they want to break out of this weekly tightening pattern. But one step at a time, looking at that daily chart and needing to see a break of the high of that last strong bounce that we had. So there were some signals for bullish strength on the shorter term time frames this morning. And first thing I want to point out is oftentimes, especially in high volatility, we'll see the correlation between oil and the markets extremely strong. That was the case with oil and SPY today. And you can look at the 5-minute chart for both. And these candlesticks, starting with the open of the day, are pretty much exactly the same. It was a very, very similar pattern. And the oil bounce definitely helped the SPY bulls to the upside. The algos were linked there. And you will often see this pattern, the correlation strength, weaken as time goes on. So by the strongest correlation is usually within the first hour of trading, and then you can see that correlation taper off, and that's what happened here again today. So always compare the 5-minute chart, shorter term time frames, to SPY and oil, and watch how similar they are. And again, this morning it was really identical watching the two charts together. So there's some easy clues to be looking at if looking at the two in combination. So let's now look at the hourly chart. Huge bullish reversal candlestick. Way out of whack here. There we go. Bullish reversal candlestick confirmed. Now we're just consolidating and looking to establish a higher low. The low of this consolidation so far is 45.86. As long as we don't break that level, the bulls establish a higher low, and we're going to head back towards the high of yesterday of 46.51 and try and turn this trend around. The 4-hour chart, looking for a bullish MACD cross. You can see the tightening range here a bit more clearly with our lower high pattern, but the higher lows as well. So clear resistance at 47.74, clear support at 44.76, and we're now going to look to tighten that range up, and it will be very easy to see a clear break on the 4-hour chart, and you can draw some trend lines to help with that easy clear break. Downtrend line, and it really determined, or you can choose where you want to put your downtrend resistance line. I don't like that one. You want to hit as many points as you can here. So zooming out, we'll use this resistance line back here, and we'll hit those two. And we can also see we hit the high up here, so that's 3 points touching that downtrend resistance line. I usually draw them to touch the real bodies of the candlesticks, but whenever you see an upper wick thrown in there, it certainly makes me more confident in that key resistance level. So those are going to tighten up, and we'll see where we break. I'm going to leave them on the chart for now, and we'll check back in on when that break occurs. I don't anticipate it happening anytime in the next day or two. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great night.